Hi, this is Hunyah Travels, and today I'm making Greek spinach and cheese phyllo pie. It is really easy to make and you really enjoy making it. Ingredients you need is some mozzarella cheese, which I have ready, that's here. Some oil, that is this. Some Parmesan cheese. Phyllo pastry sheets, which you could get at any grocery store. And spinach, that's right here. And yogurt and some roasted garlic Domino's pizza sauce. Add in the Parmesan cheese. Add in lots of Parmesan cheese, as you'll be using it all in there for its cheesy flavor. So the more the better. Although it smells bad, the Parmesan cheese, but it tastes good. So I just have a little bit left in this, so I'm just using it all. So use a whole Parmesan cheese, and now mix it. Remember, the frozen spinach will melt once you put it into the phyllo sheet. So even if it's still frozen, it's still perfect, because you need it to be like funky, like a little bit chunky and funky as possible, so it could melt all the way through in when you put into the filling. So just mix it like this. And you could see it's coming together. Time to add in the Domino's pizza roasted garlic sauce. So this is perfect for flavor. So I'm just putting it all in here. The whole entire sauce. And just mix that in like this. So now you could see the filling is almost ready. Just toss that in and mix it. And now filling is ready. Here you could see it's all mixed. Just mixing it, and now the filling is ready. Sheets, grease the pan. So take a little bit of oil and just grease it first. So grease the pan. And now time to put in the phyllo sheets. The phyllo sheets, I'm going to take out these sheets that I have from my previous video. So this is just going to be perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a few sheets of them each. I'm just going to put a plate. I'm just going to put the phyllo sheets in there. So what I do is I take 2 phyllo sheets at a time. So I take this and I put it here. And now I'm just going to layer it. So just put on more oil. Not too much. Try to get it all around the sides. And now I'll put in 2 more phyllo sheets. And continue. I take the oil. I spread it on each layer. So you could put in 4 or 5 layers of the phyllo sheets each. So I just spread it all around. And I put two phyllo sheets on top. And then I continue like this. The oven. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the filling that I made earlier with the spinach, roasted garlic sauce, mozzarella cheese, and Parmesan cheese. So what I do is I put it in here and I flat it out like this. So put all of it in here because I'm not using too much. I was going to put yogurt in this, but the reason why I didn't put yogurt in it because I feel like that it doesn't need yogurt because it already has a roasted garlic sauce. So that sums it up for there. So what I do is I just put that in. And you could see this is almost halfway through. So put all of it in here. And it's ready for its next step. I'm continuing with the Phillo sheets. So I take 2 Phillo sheets again. And I put it on top of the filling, which you can see is here. And now I take the oil and just layer it again. So a lot of oil. So just put that everywhere across. And now 2 more Phillo sheets. So carefully take it and put it on top. Almost done, so now layer it again. Put as much as oil as you want. And put in 2 more. And now continue. Now using our knife, just scrape out the end pieces that is here. So just take it out or rip it out if you want. So just put them in a separate container because this will come useful later on. So just take it out and just cover the top with oil, with all the oil that's left. So not too much. So this is for its cutting part. Cover this with oil. Like this. And now before you bake it in, cut this into squares like this. So when it comes out, then you have the Phillo squares ready. So like this, using a hand. Just cut it. So I just cut it like this way, and I'm going to cut it into squares. It could be small or big, any size you want. So I'm just cutting it like this way. It's not the most perfect cut, but this is how I'm cutting it. So just cut it like this and continue. Here's our cut, and they're ready to go into the oven. Now put it into the oven for 220 degrees at 15 minutes and let that cook. And then it's gonna be done. You could see the Phillo pie is halfway done. It's like turning golden brown, so it's almost there. Time to take out the Phillo Greek spinach cheese Phillo pie. So I'm just gonna take it out. Just very carefully taking it out. And here it is. Oh, it's done. Now here is the spinach cheese Greek Phillo pie. Very easy to make. So hope you check out the recipe in Hunyah Travels blog and now.com/Hunyah Travels. Also watch Hunyah Travels and subscribe to Hunyah Travels. And thank you for watching. I'll be back with more recipes. So thank you for watching Hunyah Travels.